Kamusta na mga mare at pare? Ay teka. Ay ano ba yan? Kung naaalala nyo yung last unboxing natin, nag-unbox tayo ng Apple AirPods Pro. Kaya eto, bumili kami ng casing na pangmatagalan. This is the ESR Cyber Armor Tough Case with Halo Lock. Haba ng name, no? Naghahanap ka ba ng durable case with magnetic lid? May mag-safe magnet na kakapit talaga ng todo sa mag-safe chargers? Sa loob ng box, it has the casing na well-cased pa. It has a cleaner na brush. Meron din siya double-sided tape. Meron din siya carabiner strap. At casing na matibay with reset button. Yung casing has Halo Lock technology that keeps your AirPods locked in place. Meron din AirPods pusher at syempre yung manual. So lipat na natin yung AirPods from my old casing to the ESR casing. Ayan, magagamit natin yung pusher at yung brush to clean the casing. So bakit ito binili ko? Yung casing kasi is scratch resistant, kaya kahit mahalo sa mga gamit sa bag, hindi problema. Tapos mahalo lock technology pa, kaya walang problema na mawala yung AirPods ko at baka mabuksan accidentally. Yung casing meron din reset button, kaya saktong-sakto if need ko i-reset yung AirPods or magdagdag ng unit for Bluetooth connection. Ayan o, lakas ng kapit ng magnets. Kaya talagang protektado ng ESR casing yung AirPods mo. Lastly, very safe yung mag-safe charging dahil sa magnets keeping them safe. Eto nga, gamit ko pa yung Anker 633 to charge the AirPods. Galing, no? Tapos the casing allows double tap feature para makita mo kung fully charged na yung AirPods. So okay ba itong casing na ito? Okay na okay to protect your AirPods. Sana makatulong itong video na ito sa inyo nga mare at pare. God bless.